can take unexpected turns when nerve damage strikes. We witness moments of pain that not only affect the body but also the spirit. Even the simplest activities can turn into a struggle when nerve damage makes its presence felt.
Nerve damage, as we discussed earlier, can stem from various factors: injuries, infections, diabetes, or medications. But fear not, as nature offers us a way to find relief. Enter the world of essential oils. These natural wonders carry the power to ease pain, inflammation, anxiety, and more. Let's dive into the top 5 essential oils that can be your allies in the fight against nerve damage. Lavender oil, known for its calming scent, can help reduce stress, anxiety, and the discomfort caused by nerve damage. Eucalyptus oil, with its refreshing aroma, can aid in reducing inflammation and improving blood circulation. Peppermint oil's cooling effect can provide natural pain relief and enhance blood flow to affected areas. Chamomile oil, renowned for its calming properties, can soothe nerve-related discomfort and promote relaxation. Ginger oil, with its warming nature, can help ease muscle tension and improve overall comfort. Now that we've met our fantastic 5, let's explore how to use these essential oils safely for nerve damage relief. Diffusing. Massaging. Taking internally. Remember, essential oils can be powerful allies in your journey towards relief from nerve damage discomfort. Start with a small amount and gradually find what works best for you. If you're considering their internal use, consult a healthcare professional. As we conclude, let's empower ourselves to seek natural solutions for nerve damage. Stay tuned for more enlightening content. Be well, and until next time.